61% of the immigrant visa were denied by US consular. So such a high rate of the denial indicate something is going wrong. But how could we avoid a denial after the first two steps were successfully proved by USCIS? There are three mistakes you should avoid during the immigrant visa interview. 61% of the denial, they were all based on labor certificate-based green card application, which is such application is sponsored by a US employer based on a permanent US job offer. So there are three steps in this kind of immigrant petition. The first is the labor certificate, the second is I-140, and the third is the immigrant visa application. Only when the first two steps are approved, you will go the third step, the visa interview application. So during the visa interview, first, if you don't even remember your US employer's name, address, and the business nature, that's a strong red flag indicating may not be a good faith job offer. If you are going to a foreign country to work for a US employer who would not even know the name, the address, and the basic business information about the employer. So this is the first mistake you should avoid. Second, if you don't even know the offered job title, job duty, annual salary, that's an indication that this is not a good faith job offer. Same reason, you are going to a foreign country based on a permanent job offer, and that job offer offers you a permanent residency, and you don't even know what are you going to do, and you don't even know your major job duty, and how much money you make per year. So that's a second mistake you should avoid. Third, if you don't have a direct related working experience and educational background related to the offered job, you probably need to prepare an explanation why you are qualified to do the job. If you are not prepared and you cannot articulate why you are qualified to perform the job, or if your background has nothing related to the US job offer, the question will be triggered. Is this a really good faith job? And if you are not qualified to even perform the job, probably this job is not a real job. It's just created to get you a green card application. So this is the third mistake you should avoid. The bottom line, if this is a real job offered by a real US employer, those three mistakes should be easily avoided because you would know in your heart where you're going to work, who you're going to work, what kind of job you're going to do, and how much money you're going to make, and whether you are qualified to take the job. However, we know there are a lot of immigration agencies out there offer you the whole package, guarantee the success of your green card application. They're going to make up everything for you and get you past in the first and second step. But if in the third step, the immigrant visa interview processing, you have no idea who you work for and what kind of job you're going to do, you will be denied. So sometimes 61% of deny rate surprised a lot of people, but I'm not surprised if there are a lot of agencies out there doing something that's violating immigration law, offers fraudulent job to the foreigners in exchange for the profit on a promising to get your green card. So be careful. Owning a good faith job offer, a real US employer could successfully get you a green card and bring the talent to the US. Hope today's video is helpful. Thank you.